We're here in Budapest in the middle of the Danube, just crossing the river. We're gonna head into Margaret Island, which is a small island here in the middle. Go see what adventures are in store. Come walk along with us. Right in the middle of the bridge. We're right smack in the middle of the Danube. Buda and Pest on this side. Budapest is another great walking city. You can walk everywhere, and that's what I love about it. This little golf carts. Hey, can you rent these things? That looks fun.
Wow, very nice.
Riding in style in one of these things.
Here. And you?
I'll drive.
Like a bus.
Or you drive. It's a unique statue. Right or left? Let's go to the left. I was thinking the same. The golf cart would be fun, but since we don't know what there is to see, I don't know what the point is. Oh, plus, I bet you need cash. I take out cash. You actually don't need cash in Budapest. That's what I learned, and it's awesome. Like, you can buy your transport tickets online. You can pay everything with card, literally everything. I needed to withdraw cash only for that visa application. I went the whole time, and then they needed like 33 euros. We used a little bit of it yesterday to buy a souvenir. We're buying a souvenir in each place we visit, just for, you know, memories. Have something from each place, something cool and unique. Yeah, this would be the perfect spot for the summer. Hungarians keep saying, well, you're here at the wrong time. And it's definitely true. But on a day like today, it's nice. It's a bit of sun out. It's not that cold. It's nice to walk around. And the part I like most about traveling in off season is that it's not swarming with tourists. And before I came here, I didn't think of Budapest as a super touristy city, but the more I research, and the locals know it better than anyone, it is a very touristy city. The Budapest sign. Lots of little chairs for sunbathing. I assume this island is jam-packed on weekends in, say, July, June through September. She's taking a little siesta. Una siestica. Oh, you're in the good spot with the sun.
It's very cold.
Cold, but
And then
relajante, relaxing. Oh yeah. Looks like path to go that way. Huh. See the little animals? Oh, this must be where the zoo is. Let's go see what we got here. Oh, what is it? Goats? Deer? Oh, there's a buck. Type of, yeah, birds down there, horses. Looks like, so there's a theater there. I'm assuming this is, maybe it's a hotel or a restaurant at the top. Yeah, beautiful.
They don't bite, sorry. Cute but bad boys.
Cute but aggressive. Look at this tree. That's quite unique. I think this is a hotel. I'm guessing. I hear cars now, so we can't be that far from the second bridge. This is a big park now. I can see why they rent the golf carts. But like everything here for tourists, things are just a little bit more expensive than you expect them to be. Budapest is very fair if you live like a local, like a lot of places. But the tourist prices here are a lot more expensive than you would imagine them to be. Like on par with, in our experience, France or Western Europe. It's a beautiful hotel though. It's like the restaurant's closed and there aren't many guests from what we can see, but beautiful place to stay. Coming up here on the other bridge, we finally made it across. So the island is a lot bigger than you would think, but perfect place to spend the afternoon, walk around, rent a golf cart, take your time. Even in winter, it was a nice little outing. So yeah, we're gonna go up, cross the bridge, it looks like right over there. And there's a metro. It's gonna take us back to our area.